Hey, I'm gonna put you on speakerphone, okay? Because I want to tell you something. Everything's fine. Don't freak out. Okay. Hello?
Hello.
So I won an award today.
Yeah.
It's called the Milken Award. I've been told it's like the Oscars for teachers. And are you there?
Did you call it the MILF Award?
No, the Milken Award.
Oh, I thought I heard MILF.
Okay, so here's the part that you're gonna want to hear. They're gonna give me $25,000.
You're joking, right?
I would not joke about that. I can show you a picture of the humongous check they gave me. Like I could.
And what with?
They said whatever I want, so I figured we could go to Hawaii or no, I'm kidding.
I mean, not school related. You don't gotta buy books. It's for you.
No, it's for me. I told them I'm gonna build a room on top of my garage.
You're joking.
I'm
right?
not joking about this. Okay, but beyond the money, like I got this amazing like teacher award.
You're awesome, honey.
Thanks.
I'm sleeping with you. Why am I on speaker though? There are people
Because they're recording you say what you just said. I literally told her like I'd rather not put him on speakerphone, but here you are.
You gotta be kidding me, right?
No, I'm not kidding. I will send you a picture of it when I'm done with this.
I mean, not that you're not awesome and all. I know that, but like the money. Not that we even. That's crazy. Like,
That's
especially
super
what happened
crazy.
This morning.
No, yeah, I know. They interviewed me for like Channel 2 and Channel 4 News, so I'm gonna be on TV. So I think we have to buy cable because we don't have TV. I want to see it.
We'll get it.
We'll get it.
That's insane.
We'll have to go to the neighbors or something to watch their television.
That's insane.
It'll all be online too.
Oh, it'll be online too, so we're good.
That's insane. I can't even believe it. It's awesome.
I know, like literally the entire school came to the gym and they announced it in front of everybody. It was like one of the most embarrassing things ever, followed by like a really amazing thing.
At least you had your pants on.
Well, yeah, okay, there's that.
Having a dream where you know you go to school without.
No, I've had dreams like that where they call me out at an assembly,
I know,
but
I know.
yeah,
Your
no.
pants are on. I'm saying at least
So
your pants are on. That's good.
that's yeah, light at the end of the tunnel. So there's that. I'm gonna bring home $25,000 to you, okay?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Hey, did you keep the bottom two at home?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Woke up just
They're
packing
sick.
up a storm.
Okay,
Oh crap! Can you call Jackson Third? I don't have that number. If not, I can do it.
I can do it later. I'm a little busy right now, but
I'll do it.
okay.
Love you.
Okay, love you too.
Bye.
Bye.